In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a field required in Jira using field configurations. If your team is creating bug tickets or other issues without filling in important details like priority, fixed version, or component, your backlog can quickly become inconsistent and harder to manage. The good news is that Jira gives administrators a centralized way to control this so you can enforce required fields more reliably across your issue forms. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site. If needed, sign in through the standard Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen and click the Settings gear. This is where you'll access Jira's administrative controls. After opening the Settings menu, find and click Issues. This takes you into the main Issues Administration area, where Jira stores settings related to fields, workflows, screens, and validation behavior behind the scenes. Next, move to the left-hand sidebar and look for Field Configurations under the Fields section. Click that option to open the list of available field configuration profiles. These configurations determine how fields behave, including whether they're visible, hidden, or required. Find the configuration connected to the project you want to manage, then click Configure on the right side of that row. You'll now see a full list of fields included in that configuration. Since the list can be long, use the Search for Fields box near the top to quickly find the specific field you want to update. Type the name of the field, such as description or priority, and Jira will filter the table automatically so you can locate it faster. Once you've found the correct field, look across to the right side of that row. You should see an option labeled Required. Click it to turn on the required setting for that field. As soon as you do, Jira updates the configuration and marks that field as required, typically with a red asterisk next to the field name. Before you finish, it's a good idea to test the change. Go back to your project and click the Create button at the top of the screen to open the issue creation form. Check that the field you updated now shows the required indicator. Then try submitting the form without filling in that field. Jira should block the submission and display a validation message confirming that your rule is working correctly. And that's it. By updating field configurations this way, you can improve data quality, keep your sprint backlog cleaner, and make reporting much more dependable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.